Hello, welcome. This is Blockchain Bloom, the blockchain educator. I'm Attila Pinke, and in today's video, I'm going to talk about that there could be a government shutdown in the US if they cannot agree until the 1st of October. And this can have a significant impact on the stock market. It could be a bearish scenario, and of course, it would be bearish for Bitcoin now. So it's worth to discuss it. The second news, it's all about the Bitcoin. That let's talk about the bearish and also about the bullish scenario, because right now Bitcoin is above 10,000. It's holding itself, so it can go both directions. And the third news will be that Bitcoin is first ever, or will be first ever, listed as an ETF on a stock exchange. And actually, this is the Bermuda Stock Exchange. Very interesting. But Bitcoin as an ETF could be out there as a first time. Okay, so all this in today's video. And if you would like to stay up to date in blockchain and cryptocurrency, you would like to get daily videos from Monday to Friday, in that case, you should definitely subscribe to Blockchain Bloom here on YouTube. Click the subscribe button next to the notification bell so you get the videos as soon as they're out. And as I said, I put these videos on YouTube every weekday. And you can also follow us on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. And I have for you a totally free course. So if you are a beginner or you have started but you're not sure, you have made every single safety step to protect your cryptocurrency, in that case, you should download this course, which is all about how to start to invest in Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies with a lot of valuable information. The link is right under this video here on YouTube. And now let's check out the market, how it looks like. Well, it still looks bearish. You know, yesterday we have talked about this scandal that there is $2 trillion money laundering case in major banks, and it can have a bearish impact on the stock market yesterday, and it had. So right now, Bitcoin at $10,436, which is a minus 4.8% decrease. Ethereum went down as well, right now $341. This is more than 8% decrease. And when we're looking at the winners, not too many winners, we have Hyperion with plus 13%, and pretty much that's it. Look, these coins are slightly in green, but this is nothing in crypto. So it's definitely, we can call it a bearish day for sure. And yeah. And then we look at the losers. Uniswap, it's going down. Obviously, you know, it went up almost to $8. Now it's around $4. It was totally normal. There was the pump at the beginning, and people were buying Uniswap as the Uni token came out last week. And, you know, we had this lot of free Uni tokens. Everybody could get this 400 Uni, whoever used Uniswap before the 1st of September. So now it's going down. Aron, it's minus 19%, and Orchid, it's minus 18%. And now let's talk about this news, because this is very important. So there is a chance for a government shutdown. And, you know, if that happens in the US, and this happens before the election, that could have a very bearish push on the stock market. And the thing is, right now, the stock market and the Bitcoin, it's really correlated. They move together. And obviously, Bitcoin is following the stock market. So if this happens, the uncertainty on the market will reach even higher levels. You know, to be honest with you, we do not need more uncertainty, because right now we still don't, you know, many things it has been not decided yet. For instance, stimulus checks. It would be very important that the people can get it, and this will actually push up the market. However, they are not out yet. Donald Trump is pushing it, you know, but there again, there is no agreement. Here we have the second problem, which the new problem that they cannot agree with this case, and this is mainly actually an agriculture issue what they talking about, and mainly federal government agencies rely on annual funding approved by the Congress, and every year these agencies submit their requests, and of course which the Congress must pass, and the president has to sign it. And if this agreement is not happening until the 1st of October, then there are two scenarios. One, it's a temporary one, that they continue with the previous one and they will make the new one after they agree. But even if this is not doable, in that case, they will shut down the government, and non-essential, functions are discontinued. And this is definitely a big uncertainty on the market, and it's not looking good. But it's not granted, okay? So right now, this is the situation. Today, it's the 22nd of September. And it should happen until the 1st of October. So there is a possibility that they can agree. And then things can, again, look brighter. But with this scenario, this is the bearish one. And if let's move on to the second news, which is related to Bitcoin. Because let's discuss that which way can actually Bitcoin go. So, for instance, because I think that many people are really bearish now. These things hasn't happened yet. We still can see the light at the end of the tunnel, in a way that if this will pass and the stimulus checks come out before the election, that actually can push the market upward. And for instance, if we would draw a line between this top, which was the highest ever, back in 2017, and this one here, which was the second highest, in last summer, then if the line continues, then we will be still over the line. And I think as long as we over it, and this is around 9,200, 300, we quite looking good. If that line would be crossed and it actually Bitcoin goes, it's not supporting 10,000, goes under 10,000, and then it will actually keep falling like 9,200, 100, 8,000, then actually we have to really recalculate the whole situation. But right now, Bitcoin is supporting 10,000 level, and which means it's anytime can happen when things settle, that it can turn back, going towards 11,000, passing 11,000, and then we're looking at, again, the 12,000 mark right there. And with that, obviously, the altcoins will also follow, and the whole market will go up. So I think the people may be too bearish too soon. I'm not saying that they're not right, because it's 50-50. Maybe they're right, maybe they're not. We just really at the present looking at each other. Nobody knows what's going to happen. The stock market is looking at decisions in the United States government, stimulus checks, do they agree now here? And then Bitcoin market is looking at the stock market. So what should I do? Everybody is just pointing at each other, but it's nothing really happening. So at this stage, we cannot say 100% that it will be bearish. And we cannot say as well, of course, that it's bullish. So it's undecided at the moment. So right now, it's totally up to you what you do. But I can see now that many people are just getting out now and selling. And maybe it's too soon. I'm not saying that they cannot be right, but I would wait. But it's just my personal opinion, okay? And now we have a third news, which is actually great in a way. Well, because it's happening on the Bermuda Stock Exchange, I think it's not that important. However, this will be, the very first time that Bitcoin would be launched as an ETF, okay? So when we look at the past, we can see here in this article, for example, that in Switzerland, Germany, Austria, so in these markets, it's listed as an ETP, okay? But actually, the best combination, the safest one, would be ETF. And the Brazil's hashtags is teaming up actually with Nasdaq to bring the world first Bitcoin ETF to the Bermuda Stock Exchange. It's actually a funny thing in a way that, as the rumor goes, whatever is in Bermuda, in this Bermuda Triangle, ships and all these things getting lost there. And to come out the first Bitcoin ETF in the Bermuda Stock Exchange, it sounds a bit weird. And also, it's good that it's out because it's the very first ETF and it's more secure than an ETP. But actually, it would be, of course, nice if it's on the U.S. stock market, because I'm not sure that everybody has access to the Bermuda Stock Exchange. But at least it's out, and therefore it's very important. The fact that Bitcoin is getting in more and more stock markets, in Switzerland, Germany, Austria, now here to Bermuda, in all different forms, ETP, ETN, ETF, you name it. ETF would be actually probably the best. So this is, again, good for Bitcoin to spread. And, more people can get Bitcoin in so many kind of ways. Stock market, you buy it on a crypto exchange, swap it, whatever, you name it. It will be more user-friendly in a way that people can have access to Bitcoin in multiple ways. And this actually definitely will do the marketing for Bitcoin. More places we can Bitcoin see. So I think overall it's very positive. It's a bit shame that it's on the Bermuda Exchange, but so far, so good. Okay, guys, if you like this content, then smash the like button. I highly appreciate it. And if you want to get the freshest and crispiest blockchain and cryptocurrency news every weekday, so from Monday to Friday, every day, a brand new video, in that case, you should definitely subscribe to this YouTube channel, Blockchain Bloom, because we keep you up to date. You can also follow us on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. And obviously, you can get this totally free course, How to Start to Invest in Bitcoin and Other Cryptocurrencies. The link right under the video here on YouTube, and you can download it totally for free, and it contains a lot of valuable information. So, thanks a lot for watching. Tomorrow I'm coming back with another video. Have a good one. Bye-bye.